Don Bell fans. Gusto ko mag-sorry kung if I reacted that. Grabe ka naman.
Yan na kanyang PDH eh.
Joke lang po yan, ha?
Showbiz Kachika TV.
Hello mga kachika! Usap-usapan nga ngayon sa social media si Shubi Entrata dahil nga sa naging sobrang OA na reaksyon nga daw nito nang makita nga niya ang kanyang super crush na celebrity na si Donnie Pangilinan. Na kung saan hindi nga daw nagustuhan ng Don Bell fans ang naging reaksyon na ito ni Shubi. Alam naman nating lahat na PBB days pa nga lang ni Shubi na hindi pa siya sikat noon ay talagang crush na nga niya si Donnie Pangilinan at talaga namang nagfa-fan girly nga siya sa kanyang idolo. Pero ngayong artista na siya at medyo sikat na sa mundo ng showbiz industry ay marami na nga sa mga Don Bell fans ang nagsasabi na sana daw ay lumugar si Shubi sa kanyang pagka-fan girl kay Donnie. Samantala si Donnie Pangilinan naman ay naglabas na nga rin ng kanyang reaksyon patungkol nga sa issue na ito. Ang sabi nga niya ay, "Hey guys, I'm out of the country right now on a short break but I've been seeing a lot online. I don't usually speak up but I think it's about time we stop spreading hate and constantly comparing people. There are far more important things happening in our country. I feel like we've gotten too comfortable throwing hate online without thinking about how that affects actual human beings who have done nothing wrong. This is for all fandoms. Artists have lives too. It's gone below the belt. Why did we reach this point? As for Belle, please keep her out of your narratives. She is beautiful, talented, and most of all importantly, has a great heart. Nothing you say or do will change that. I told Shubi the videos were going around out of shock as I went to dinner at first thinking it was just going to be intimate and private. People forget we are all friends in this industry. Why do we keep pitting people against each other? And to those who think I enjoy the clout and people getting bashed, you clearly don't know me. Feel free to leave. There is no space for that here. I am and never was about that." Samantala si Shubi naman ay humingi na rin ng sorry sa kanyang nagawa lalong-lalo na nga sa Don Bell fans. Ang sabi nga niya, "Sa lahat po ng Don Bell fans, I'm sorry if I acted that way. I'm so sorry if I'm always fangirling over Donnie. I will do my best para pigilan ang mga nararamdaman natin next time." Halika at balikan natin ang video clips na kumalat nga sa social media.
Grabe ka naman.
Yan na kanyang PDH eh.
Joke lang po yan, ha?
Ate Pinky, tabihan.
Joke lang po yan. Don Bell fans. Gusto ko mag-sorry kung if I reacted that way. I'm so
Anong masasabi nyo mga kachika? Just comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!